Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to tell you about that coronavirus history and its current situation. I think that coronavirus has made in Wuhan lab of China. They are experimenting this coronavirus from many years. You know that coronavirus is found in bats. They are taking out this coronavirus from bats and experimenting in the lab. And after experimenting and testing, they had added many materials in this coronavirus, and it has made as a biological weapon in that Wuhan lab, and they had kept in that one tube. I think that according to some source, there have been one intern who had gone to do his internship that Wuhan lab, and by mistakenly he had broken that tube. And when that tube broken, that coronavirus had spreaded in that area, and due to this he also suffered from this virus. And after suffering from this virus, he had gone to that Wuhan seafood market, and due to him that virus had spreaded in whole Wuhan market. And after coming days, that virus had spread in whole Wuhan city. And China know that it is biological weapon, and by mistakenly it has spreaded in that Wuhan city. So they didn't tell to any country. They didn't tell, because it is a biological weapon. So, and due to this, another country didn't know about this virus. So the whole many Chinese peoples of that Wuhan city has traveled around whole world, including America, India, Britain, and many European countries and developed countries, and they had spread their virus in whole world. And now the current situation is this: more than 3 lakh people had been died due to this coronavirus, and more than 50 lakh people are suffering from this coronavirus. And in America, 16 lakh plus people have been suffered from this coronavirus, and lakhs of people have been died. And this in India, the current situation is, in India the total number of corona patient is 1,38,000, and the number of recovery is 57,000, and active case is nearly about 81,000. But you know that this virus has spreaded in whole India, and whole India it has been spreaded. And I am living in this Devariya city, and you know that in Devariya city the now case is 51, but the fear of this coronavirus is very dangerous. You know that I can't believe in anyone that people is suffering from coronavirus or not. So that fear of coronavirus is very dangerous. Due to this coronavirus, my college is closed, the markets are closed, whole city is closed. And you know, in India, every people is in lockdown, whole country is closed. The country is suffering from many economic problems, and people are also suffering due to this virus. And these Chinese people, you know that China had controlled this virus, and now they are living peacefully, and whole world is just suffering from this coronavirus and having problems. I don't know, this country, China, had not supported and helped the people and the country who are suffering from this virus. Do you know that I think in 1920 there had been one epidemic, that name is Spanish flu, and it had killed nearly 5 crore people all over the world. And you know that in India 1.8 crore people had been died. Yeah, it was past, we have to learn from that, but in that area our medical facility was not good, and India was not so developed. Now India has changed a lot. We can control this virus. All people should support. We should maintain 6 feet distance from one another, from outsider people, and we should wear mask. I think that N95 mask should be good, or you can wear simple mask, or just you can towel, put that towel on your nose and mouth. I think that vaccine can control this virus. In 1920 vaccine had been controlled this virus, and now also this vaccine can control this virus. So the country should give their 100%. All countries should give their 100%. All scientists, doctors, and these researchers give their 100% to make this vaccine as soon as possible, so that people can live their normal life and they can live with full freedom without any fear. I am suffering a lot. I'm in my house from 2.5 months, and I'm feeling bored. But what I can do? I cannot go outside and roam freely. Just I can hope that vaccines would made soon as